There's big breaking news coming in. Tejasri Purandare reporting on the story where the Delhi Secretariat has in fact issued orders that there should be no files moved from the Delhi Secretariat. I'm going to read from the order. Tejasri is with us. Tejasri, take us through what exactly the wording of this order is. Quickly read out from that particular order copy that you've accessed.
Well, absolutely. This is the big breaking news that we are picking up right now, just ahead of the trends that we have got. And in fact, this particular order has been issued by GAD, in which this order mentions that to address security concerns and safety of records, it is requested that the files, documents, computer, hardware, etc. may be taken outside Delhi Secretariat complex cannot be taken outside the complex of Delhi Secretariat without the permission of GAD, that is General Administration Department. Not just that, it is therefore directed that necessary directions may be issued to the concerned branch in charges and department offices situated in Delhi Secretariat to ensure safety of records, files and documents, electronic files under their sections. And importantly, all the officers, all the senior officials have also been asked to report immediately to the Delhi Secretariat. So this is the big
news. And Iskaran, I want you to come in as a lawyer on this, because this says specifically, the second last sentence is that this order shall also be applicable to the Secretariat offices and camp offices of Council of Ministers, and in charges of both the offices are also directed for compliance of this order. Very significant.
There are two parts to this order. One is that no documents or computer or files or any proof, in a sense, I would say, any evidence to be taken out of Delhi Secretariat, because we have seen how when people start losing, suddenly a fire erupts in the Secretariat, how files are lost. We have had that record. So documents should not be destroyed, evidence should not be destroyed. The second aspect, that all officers should have to be report immediately, means that whosoever was dealing with whatsoever file, I presume, he will have to give account of that, submit it, be fully briefed, be fully recorded. Your briefing is recorded, because it appears, if you add it with the statement of the state BJP president, who in the morning said the first order of business of the new Council of Ministers would be to set up a CID or a special cell to investigate all corruptions. Up till now, there were various allegations against Mr. Arvind Kejriwal. Some of them he has gone to jail.
But
now we will have, for once, with this document and evidence safe, I believe that this will not be mere rhetoric. It will lead to conclusion very soon, because the step of day one.
Okay, evidence. Parvinder Sethi, evidence को secure किया जा रहा है. कोई भी evidence destroy नहीं होगी इस order के बाद. कैसे reaction होगा आपका इस पे?
इसमें कोई objection वाली बात नहीं है. ये तो होना ही चाहिए. जब भी जो भी government document है, उसको बाहर ले जाने का कोई मतलब ही नहीं है. इसमें तो कोई हैरानी वाली बात नहीं है. कोई भी सरकार आएगी या कोई भी गवर्नमेंट चेंज होगी, तो इस तरह के ऑर्डर, जिस प्रकार अभी इन्होंने बताया कि बहुत सारे एविडेंसेस खत्म कर दिए जाते हैं, करी जाते हैं. अगर कोई गलत काम किया हो किसी ने, तो उसको एविडेंस खत्म करने की,
तो गलत काम करने की आशंका है, तभी तो ऐसी ऑर्डर इशू हो रही है. यही कहेंगे
ये
ऑलराइट, विल हैव टू लीव इट
डायरेक्ट डिपार्टमेंट में होना चाहिए.
ओके, होना चाहिए, हो रहा है इस केस में. और कुछ भी हुआ है, हमने देखा है बाकी स्टेट्स में. आई एम गोइंग टू रिक्वेस्ट आवर पैनलिस्ट टू स्टे विद अस. स्लिपिंग इनटू अ क्विक ब्रेक. मैसिव डेवलपमेंट्स टेकिंग इन द नेशनल कैपिटल. द प्राइम मिनिस्टर एक्सपेक्टेड द बीजेपी हेडक्वार्टर्स at 5:30 as well. Stay with us, because we'll continue to break all the big developments right here at Times Now.